Final video to fix Baldur's Gate 3 Xbox saves disappearing. And if your progress keeps vanishing, let me ask you, are you playing Baldur's Gate 3 and noticing that your save games disappear from your Xbox or cloud? This problem usually happens because save files get corrupted, cloud sync fails, or Xbox Live services do not connect properly. Sometimes updates or network issues also trigger missing saves. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file edits, complicated cloud resets, or steps that feel impossible to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't restore your progress. But on Rex's, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of deleting or moving files randomly, we fix the exact save path and cloud sync link that causes Xbox saves to vanish. This works because it restores proper communication between Baldur's Gate 3, Xbox Live, and your system. The method is safe, fast, and does not delete your other data once you apply it. Your saves appear normally, progress is secure, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple setups, and it worked every time. That is why Rex shares smart, stress-free solutions. If disappearing saves are ruining your game and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.